Hello guys, and here today I'll be showing you how to make a screen GUI and a text label and all those sorts of stuff on Roblox Studio. For some reason I'm out of breath, but anyways, let's get into it. So, as you can see, I was just playing around with the GUI. So, you need to insert your Explorer properties, and if you're on your output, by doing this, you need to go on to View and click Explorer properties and Output. But anyways, you need to go in Explorer and find Starter GUI. Then you add a screen GUI. So if you can't find it, just write screen GUI. And then inside our screen GUI, we could add a text label. And you could set this text label to whatever you like. And I'm just going to scale it to around this size. And you could change its properties by going into the Properties tab. So if you click on it, select it, and then you change its color by going to background color. You can make it whatever. I'm going to make this yellowish color, and then background transparency to whatever. And then you could change its font, and then you could also change its text. So you could just write 9999999. I don't know why I read that, but I just read that. And to get rid of this border, you could go into border mode and border size pixel and change it to whatever. So I changed it to 0, and there we go. And make sure, if you want your text scaled, you go down to text and then click text scaled to true, and it scales its text to its max. And you could also change its text color and the text border color. So I'm going to make this a red. There we go. And then I'm just going to make the text stroke transparency 0. And there we go. So that's how to make a screen GUI. You can also play around with text labels. Well, we already did text labels, but you could play around with whatever. You could add a text box. You could add a text button. You could also add a frame, and inside that frame you can make a loading screen. Probably that's my next video, how to make a loading screen. But anyways, that's it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, goodbye.